is now getting the Hollywood treatment. CEO and co-founder of MoviePass, Stacy Spikes, just got a fresh $100 million round of funding to develop Mogul, a fantasy league for movies in Hollywood. Let's take a listen.
So we're creating a brand new category line, which is Mogul, which will be the first fantasy league for Hollywood. And so Hollywood has never had the ability for fans to be able to predict what will happen and speculate on the different things that box office and per screen scores, all of that. We're going to be building the first of its kind, and that's what the 100 million is for.
So you have a 400,000 person waiting list. Why do you think there's so much interest in this platform?
I think sports fans have been able to do this for years. And so many people are excited about that possibility for Hollywood. It's never been done before. And I think that excitement is why so many people are ready to go and play this.
So you launched MoviePass. This was your baby. You created MoviePass. And now I know that you still offer a subscription service, but there has been a slight pivot to Mogul. First of all, why do you love movies so much? And what, caused you to make a career out of this? And why the switch to Mogul?
We know that when fantasy sports started with sports, it drove people more for better attendance to games and better engagement with viewership. So we know, based on our audience, they want something like this. This is a natural evolution for our product. We're not the theater, we're not the studio, we're that sticky thing in the middle, which is a community of people who love movies coming together and playing and talking trash to each other and being able to put their money where their mouth is.
Who is the Mogul user?
So Mogul basically is super fans who are people who are aware about the business, the numbers that movies do. They are aware of how deals are going down. They're more than just a passive person who goes to the movies. And so they're high-end users, and this product is built and designed for them. But those people are all over the world. And there's something like 200 million people who go to the movies every year on a regular basis.
How are you approaching the development and the build out of Mogul, and are you using artificial intelligence?
Yeah, so Mogul is built completely on a Web3 platform. So we exclusively launching on Sui. And so you're on a level 1 network that allows for blockchain transactions. And so all of the transactions are happening on the blockchain ledger. In addition to that, we're using AI for the code. Like, our engineers are starting to use it to build the code for the system. And we're also using it for the intelligence that underlies all the calculations that go into the different predictions and things everyone's using. So it's a key part of our business now.
What is your vision for Mogul in the next 5 years?
To be the world's largest first fantasy league for Hollywood. That's our goal, that anywhere, anyone in the world, when they go see a movie, if they want to play and be able to be part of that experience beyond just watching, you get to engage, you get to be a mini Mogul of your own studio. Everyone will be able to do it. That is our vision and our goal, to build that.
And how does Mogul fit into the larger MoviePass ecosystem?
We think it's our growth area, if you would. It's our iPhone moment, where the subscription is something that costs you a monthly fee that you can get into and you need to go. We're only in the United States, but Mogul will allow us to be global. It'll allow us to play and run faster and bigger, and the investment from people is much higher than just the monthly subscription fee. So that's why we're going in this direction.
And how can people get involved with Mogul?
So if you go to mogul.moviepass.com, you can join the wait list, and you'll also be able to, when we deploy it in the next couple of weeks, join and start playing with it right away.
So will people be let in on a rolling basis, or how will that work?
Yeah, we're gonna start rolling people out in the next 2 weeks and go through that 400 list and get everyone in. And then once those people are in, we start opening it up to the public.
Thank you, Stacey Spikes, for that interview.